Hello everyone, welcome to Fuel for Success. It's me Sandhya here. I'm pouring you a fuel for your life success. Welcome to all to my channel. Life is like a camera. Just focus on what is important. Capture the good times, develop from the negatives. If things don't work out, take another shot. Of course, it is correct. We'll keep on clicking the photos. Whichever we like, try to develop from that positives. If any negative photos is there that we doesn't like this, try to develop from that also. If it doesn't possible, just go on to take another shot. Our life should be like that. Everything we should be taken on challenging. Today I am going to share certain tips for parents how to control the children from mobiles. Why I have taken this topic means many of them will be saying that my kid will be using mobiles, always will be keep on engaging with the mobiles only, not at all concentrating towards the studies or any other activities, not playing that and all. Always they will be keep on watching the mobile, playing games, or they will be keep on seeing the reels, videos, that this and all. So now I request the parents to follow these tips what I am going to share with you, so that your kids will stop using mobiles and they will concentrate towards the study or any other activities and all. Okay, so come, let's start. And foremost thing is to say completely to stop using mobiles. If you have given your child a separate mobiles or tabs, anything like that, I request you parents to please take it back and switch it off and put it inside. One day or 1 week or maximum to maximum 15 to 20 days they feel difficult because of no mobile. Okay, because they feel more difficult without using the mobile so much, they have been addicted. Okay, but we can say that they have been attracted towards a mobile like a magnet, because so much they have been dependent upon the mobiles for everything. Mobile, if any project is been given, mobile, take a mobile, google it and do it. Like that they have been dependent upon the mobile. So let us stop this mobile magnet. Okay, at starting point of time they might their mind will be keep on thinking about mobile only. Every 5 to 10 minutes they will be keep on thinking about the mobile. They can't concentrate towards the studies. This will be to only to some point of extent. Okay, as I said, it is only up to 15 to 20 days. They are not able to concentrate on studies. Their mind will be keep on thinking towards a mobile only. But I request parents not to worry about that. That is gradually their concentration towards falls towards the studies. They might ask you that, okay, for time pass what we should do without mobiles and all. Okay, if they are free, say them to read any books, and also say them to spend some time with the family, and try to make them engage with any other activities like writing, reading books, writing any stories, writing comics, like that and all. They can utilize their time. In a meanwhile, if they want to use mobile, nowadays even some of the schools is being continuing that to send the notes and all for the mobiles only. So if they are using for that purpose means, I request you parents, please have an eye on your kids if they are using any electronic items like mobile tabs and all. What exactly they are doing in the mobile, what they are using it for a genuine reason. I am not saying you to doubt on your kids. Track and see exactly what they are doing. After they are using the mobile, just check the history what they have been done and all. It's our as a parents, it's our responsibility to take care of our children. If they are going with the wrong track, we should make them to come in a right track. Okay, so surely where the hard work will be there, success will be there. And thank you for everyone for watching my video. And if you are interested, if you have liked my video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe it for further videos. You can comment your opinions. Thank you so much. Bye bye.